Cheers. Hey Duckies, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing a mukbang. Today we are doing a Panda Express mukbang. So I have on this side double orange chicken with chow mein, and I have egg rolls.
And I have orange chicken, sweet garlic chicken, chow mein.
We have, of course, the sweet and sour sauce, the chili sauce, soy sauce because I am obsessed.
So obsessed.
And of course we have our McDonald's drinks.
Oh yeah.
So today we are going to be answering some questions about me and about her so you guys can get to know us. I just need to take a bite of this egg roll first because
I'm just trying to get some of this food into my bowl. Sweet fried chicken first.
Oh my gosh, I could eat these every day.
What is your name? What is your name? Talk about yourself. I don't know. Tell us your name. It's gonna take us 6 hours. My name is Abby. I'm 26 years old and I was born July 4th. Woo! And we're trying to be cute. And obviously my zodiac sign is a Cancer. I'm a little crap.
Excuse me. My name is Sarah. I am 23 years old. My birthday is May 6th and I am a Taurus.
Cool.
Woo.
How do you feel about that?
How do I feel about being a Taurus? Well,
Like,
I'm
you're
an
a Taurus?
extremely loyal person.
I'm extremely emotional, like most people that have the Cancer zodiac sign. We all seem to be very emotional. Our biggest fears? Ooh, what's your biggest fear?
Probably not being good enough.
Damn, that's deep.
Yeah. Just because for the longest time, I was in a relationship with somebody who made me feel like I wasn't good enough. So I always strive to be good enough. I don't know. I always try to make people happy, I guess. I'm a hard
I
ass.
have that issue. But I think it's because our mother had really high expectations of us.
I let that go a long time ago. I'm the black sheep of the family.
My biggest fear is semi-trucks.
Yeah, she's been scared of semi-trucks for a long time.
Like, to the point that can't drive next to them. They're scary.
And when she has to go around them,
I speed
she screams.
so fast.
She screams. I can't believe they only give us one sweet and sour sauce each. So good.
So good.
This is a good choice.
The best. It's always a good choice. Okay. What is your bad habit? Like the bad habit. If you could pick any of your bad habits, which one would you pick?
Gemini men. They're the worst thing for me. But I made it 3 in a row.
If you don't believe in the zodiac sign, you will if you date a Gemini. I read that on Facebook. My bad habit is I drink too much caffeine. I wish I could think of a habit that was worse than that.
Bro, I don't even know.
Like,
I dated 3 Gemini men in the last 8 years. My last 3 since 2011, yeah. And each one has been an extremely toxic relationship. Every single one of them have been so toxic. So,
I'm happily married with 2 kids. I like to dance when I eat. What is one thing you always have in your bag?
Chapstick.
Ooh, me too, but like.
Wait, I got my lip pierced recently, and so when it can be any time of the day, it just gets really dry right here in the middle now.
All my chicken's stuck together.
It's just really dry right here in the middle now, where I got it pierced, and so I like constantly have to put.
Surprise!
What's that? Oh.
Another piece of sweet fried chicken.
I was thinking, like, what is wrong with you? How did you eat that so fast?
God, I don't know, but Lance ate his in like 3 minutes. So fast. He got like 5 boxes of Debbie snacks. Debbie snacks.
We decided not to do Debbie snacks anymore, though, I thought.
I don't know what's going on. One thing I always have in my bag is my vape. I quit smoking cigarettes and use my vape now. So.
Which is really good for her. Okay.
Which isn't really good. We are not advocating for smoking a vape. But it did help me stop smoking cigarettes.
And also, I've seen a couple cases where people's, like, the roof of their mouth, like, gets chemical burns. And, like, the back of their tongues get, like, chemical burns or, like, little black spots on their roof of their mouth and in their throat. Do you have that?
No.
Stop lying. You're looking real guilty.
Look in my mouth. I don't think, I think you have to have like really high nicotine. Probably like the people that smoke the salt neck ones.
I don't know. It was like a teenager who had it. All 3 cases have been like teenagers. They're like 18, 19, maybe just turned 20.
I heard that the smoking age limit is going up to
21,
which is a great thing.
Yeah. I mean, I think that's just in our state, though. We live in Texas, by the way. Okay, so what is your dream job?
Ooh, my dream job is being a psychiatric nurse practitioner. I just got into nursing school and I start in August, at the end of August. Sarah, what is your dream job?
Mine is to be a trauma nurse in a really big ER.
Like Grey's Anatomy's ER.
More like Parkland ER in downtown Dallas.
Ooh, I've been there. When I was
There's
getting my
this
gallbladder
massive-
out, I went to Parkland.
And it's like the #1 trauma unit in Texas.
And it's scary.
It's huge, but
It was
you get
terrifying being there.
You get like a lot of experience, and
It was like the scariest ER I've ever been in.
did you use my napkin?
No. But I will.
No, you're not. Okay. So the next one is your fave 3 YouTubers.
Sarah Ray Vargas. She's #1. Stephanie Sue. She has the best mukbangs, in my opinion. And
she's real funny.
yeah, she's really funny. And Nurse Blake, because obviously, because I want to be a nurse, and he's hilarious. What about yours?
Mine is Simply Nessa 15. Sass Vlogs or Sass ASMR. She's freaking amazing. I love her. And then
I like her too.
this girl, her name is Ashley, but her YouTube name is Smashly. And she does a whole lot of like story times. And she's just one of my favorite. She has like a lot of paranormal things that happen to her. And so we too have had paranormal things that have happened to us.
So you can like relate.
So I can like relate to like what she sees and like what she does.
Also, paranormal stuff is really cool.
Yeah, we really are into that. But so those are my 3. What is something that annoys you? That one bitch that we saw earlier.
What?
The one that we saw earlier.
Oh, we won't talk about her. I'm not gonna call people out. My cat being in heat. Just kidding. No, it does, but lots of things annoy me.
It's like your #1 thing.
My #1 thing is like myself, because I'm really annoying. No. What annoys me, Sarah? When people don't give you your food, like when you order and they don't give you the right thing, that's probably my biggest annoyance. It happens a lot in our town.
Yeah,
It happens
the
a
restaurants
lot
here need to
in our
get it
town.
together.
Yeah, like
They just be throwing stuff together.
We went to
for no
Panda
reason.
Express today and they didn't give us chopsticks. We asked for chopsticks.
Something that annoys me is when people intentionally ignore me and like they make it obvious that they're ignoring me. So like being left on red, or like if they're on like Twitter or like posting stuff on Snapchat, but then like they're 3 hours ago I texted them and they're obviously not texting me back. Ooh, I'm not even afraid to like triple text you. Or send 15 messages, because that's how I type anyway.
I wouldn't say that.
I type like...
Do people like really get afraid of you sending multiple messages?
I don't know. I just type in bubbles. And so like my ex would get like really mad at me whenever I would do that. But then when I would send everything in like a long message, he would be like, I'm not going to read that because I don't want to read a long message. I'm like, then you're not going to know what I'm saying. Can't really...
To being annoying?
Yep. Can't relate. Just kidding, though.
Food makes me happy. That's why I got here. To this.
Okay. Then what is your favorite food?
Because food makes me happy.
No, that's just the last question.
My favorite food
Is
I mean, right at this very moment,
mm-hmm.
because it changes a lot.
Okay, but what's your favorite?
Panda Express. Sweet fried chicken.
It doesn't even have to be a fast food. It can be anything you've ever had.
Anything I've ever had.
Mm-hmm.
That's a lot.
I know I'm gonna get shit for mine.
Ooh. Mine's really weird. People are gonna think I'm strange. We just had it on my birthday.
Okay.
I don't want people to think I'm too weird.
So she was gonna say pizza and applesauce.
What's yours?
Coleslaw.
Coleslaw is your favorite
Oh,
food?
fuck yeah, bitch. If it's made right.
That's not weird though. You live in
Everyone
the South.
hates coleslaw.
I feel like I'm sitting weird. Food is food. And I just like what I want at that moment. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Like, oh my god, I'm craving Chicken Express right now, which never happens. And that's what I like at the moment. Today I wanted Panda Express, and here I am, showering.
Mine is coleslaw, but only if it's made correctly. The reason why is because when my mom was pregnant with me, she ate a ton of it from KFC, and that was like her favorite thing. And so that's like, if it's made correctly, that's like one of my favorite things, like hands down.
I don't like coleslaw.
Neither does like everyone else.
I don't know why I don't like coleslaw. I actually don't think I've ever had it.
You haven't had it the good way.
I don't think I've ever had it.
That's because you, in your mind, you decided that you didn't like it.
My husband does that all the time. Well,
I thought he likes coleslaw.
no, I meant he decides he doesn't like something and then doesn't like it even if he tries it. But he's never had it before.
Coleslaw?
Yeah. Not coleslaw. I meant like food in general. Like acorn squash.
Okay, I hate that shit.
I love it.
You know how mom found out she was allergic to butternut squash?
She did Ideal Protein and it had butternut squash soup.
No, it was Ideal Protein. But we decided one day to cut it in half, sprinkle, I think it was like cinnamon on top of it, and then bake it in the oven. It was supposed to be like baked yams.
Yeah, that's how I make it.
With sugar?
Except I like...
With cinnamon and sugar on it?
Yeah. It's really good.
Yeah, and she like broke out in hives everywhere. And like, it was really bad. So she can't eat butternut squash.
I didn't know that about our mother.
Yeah. Well, that's because you were not living at home and that had happened.
No, it wasn't. I'm waiting for you to finish, so just finish and then we'll eat our thing and then we'll say, hope you liked our video. So what are we gonna say? I hope you like our video.
You are going to say it.
We hope you enjoyed
Our first video.
No, we're not gonna say first because our first one is gonna be the blooper video.
Whew. I hope you
gonna
enjoyed
say,
our
like-
About Me video.
We hope you enjoyed our
Getting to know
video.
us. No, I hope you enjoyed getting to know us.
Yeah, we hope you enjoyed getting to know us.
You guys leave in the comments how old you are. Because we want to meet some of you guys as well.
Comment below so we can
Get to know you.
get to know you. Cheers. Oh, that was really hard to open.
It's not. Don't tell me yours. Okay, that's a freaking lie. Panda Express always be lying.
Their fortunes always suck.
They always lie to me.
They're not like Chinese buffet. You know?
Wish we had a real one of those here too. But no, we have fake ones.
Crappy ones that have roaches.
Okay, well, I've never seen a roach.
That's why they closed down, remember? They shut down. Like, they closed. Nobody could go. They were closed for like a few months.
Yeah. But it's still the same place. It's still the same name and same food options.
Different management, different people that work there.
No, the same people.
Still won't go because who knows if they actually got rid of the roaches. I'm not trying it. Not doing it.
I might go there sometimes.
Lance has gone a few times. But not me.
Yeah. How much drink do you have?
This is my time to shine. We hope you enjoyed getting to know us. Comment below so that we can get to know you too.
Are people gonna think I'm high? My eyes don't open all the way, guys. Sorry.
All of our social media will be linked below in the description box. Why are we so weird?
Bye, duckies.